Kavya and welcome back to my channel Kavya's Corner. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys how to make this really beautiful home decor piece, which is a jar lamp. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started with the video. So to make a DIY jar lamp, the things you'll require are any empty glass jar. Over here I'm using an old Nutella jar. Next you need is black paint. Now in black paint you can either use poster color or acrylic paint, whichever is available. Next you need a paintbrush, of course. Now you need any marker, and then you also need a white gel pen or a silver gel pen. Over here I'm using a silver glitter gel pen. Next you need a paper along with a pencil, and lastly the thing you need is any decorative lace or ribbon of your choice. So our first step is to take the paper and fold it into half as shown. Now we're going to just place it onto our jar and take approximate measurements. So here I've taken my approximate measurements according to my jar, and now we're going to draw half side of the heart. And after drawing half side of the heart, now it's time to cut it. And now, once you're done with cutting the heart, with the help of the marker, you just want to trace a rough sketch onto the bottle. So after you're done with drawing the heart on top of the glass jar, all you have to do is paint the other sides in black color or any other dark color of your choice. Over here I'm using black. It's better to use dark color so that you get the better effect. So yeah, let's start painting. And now, till our jar dries, it's time to decorate the lid. And to decorate my lid, over here, I'll be using a red color ribbon and a peach bow. So first I'm going to measure the lid circumference with the help of the ribbon, and I'm going to cut the ribbon accordingly. And here we've cut the ribbon, so let's move on to sticking it. And here we've stuck the ribbon. As you guys can see, our jar has completely dried. We are going to screw on the lid. And once you're done with screwing on the lid, I'm just going to stick my bow like this onto the lid. I actually did this step a little late so that I can see, where the bow is getting stuck. I wanted my bow to be on the side. So yeah, now let's stick it. Just hold it a little tight so that it dries completely. Okay, so now our lid is also ready. As you guys can see, the overall look is really pretty. Okay, and now it's time to use our pen. So all you have to do with your pen is just make dotted lines. Yeah, the lines that we make when we're tracing, like this. So you guys can go ahead and add in more designs with the help of your pen, like polka dots and mini hearts. But over here I wanted to highlight this heart, which is why I did not make any other design. Now again, I'll just clean the inner surface using a dry tissue. And yes, our jar is beautifully ready. So now it's time to use this jar. Here's how we use it. So I'll be adding in a few pebbles over here. You can use big ones or small ones, whatever you have or whatever is available. Over here I have these small stone type of pebbles. They kind of enhance the look from inside. Okay. So I put in a little more so that there is a little step type of a thing. Now let's proceed to the next step. Our DIY is ready and it looks really amazing. So now it's time to light the candle inside. And make sure when the candle is inside the jar, the lid should not be on, otherwise the lid might get a hole at the top. Okay, so now let's light the candle. So over here I've lit the candle and now we're going to just place it inside the jar. And here's how it looks. And now I'll turn off the light and show you how it looks. 1, 2, 3. It looks amazing, right? That's it for today's video, guys. Hope you liked it because I personally loved it a lot. Along with the fact that we converted an old Nutella jar into this really beautiful home decor piece. If you guys like this, make sure to give this video a like. Share this video with your friends and family so that they too can try out such amazing home decors at home, that too with waste materials. Also subscribe to my channel along with clicking on the bell icon so that you never miss any updates from Kavya's Corner. Meet you in my next video. Until then, take care and bye bye.